There's a seed company I like, and I'm not affiliated with it. It's called Johnny's Selected Seeds, and I've been buying from them for years. Or you should get their catalog, especially if you're a new gardener. I would have somehow got rid of mine. I've had it since the early 2000s, I guess. But I like to buy from them because they sell mostly to market growers. I should say they gear what they sell to market growers, but they sell to everybody. You can buy in bulk if you are a market grower. But they sell heirlooms and open pollinated, but they also sell a lot of seeds that are disease resistant. And mine showed up today. I'd like to show you what I've got. Like I said, I'm not connected with them in any way. I wish they had included a catalog, so I'm going to have to ask for that separately. But this is certified organic celeriac, which I haven't grown ever. I know of it. I'm going to try it in next year's garden. I can feel there's a tube in there. This one happens to be pelleted, Mars pelleted organic. Their catalog is like a Bible for gardeners, especially new gardeners. As I said, I would refer to that. Whoever wrote it did one heck of a job. I also ordered pickling cucumbers. These are called hybrid greenhouse cucumbers. They're what's known as parthenocarpic. It means they don't need another cucumber to pollinate it. So certainly farmer market gardeners would want to be able to grow them in high tunnels or in greenhouses. But I like these because I could start them early in the season in my little greenhouse and actually move the container back in later in the season. Here's an Asian eggplant. I have never had success with eggplant, and I don't even like it. My husband does, and I am determined. So I got this. This is also hybrid, and it's called Orient Charm F1, which means it's a hybrid. F1 is the hybrid. It's those long purple ones that you have seen. Here's a hybrid zucchini. This is also parthenocarpic, which means I can have zucchini in the greenhouse before the weather is warm enough to really plant it outside, and I can put it back into the greenhouse when it gets cold. And we have baby bear pumpkins. A lot of these seeds were end of season sale. These are 2021 seeds, but seeds last forever, practically. I always start looking later in the summer for companies that put their seeds on sale. Most of these, in fact, were on sale. This is a basil. It's called Elida, Lydia. It is organically grown. This is a fusarium resistant basil, so it is less likely to get attacked by that disease. We have some sweet peppers. They're on sale. They're orange. They look wonderful. They're also organic. Corinto. Cucumbers. This is like one of my favorite cucumbers of all time. I just like these. They just look great when they're growing. And I've run out. I've planted so many cucumbers this year because we actually ran out of pickle relish. And that hasn't happened in a long time. We're finding more uses for it than we used to since we've changed our diets to vegetarian. So we're using a lot more pickle relish. So this year, I haven't counted, but 30 cucumber plants or more. We have some hot peppers here. And we have a green cabbage called Caitlin. And it's a storage cabbage, so I'm going to try that. I think it's a fall cabbage. Like I said, I will have to look that up. Yeah, it says it can withstand repeated light to moderate frost, but recovers before a heavy freeze. So that's something that I can succession plant, and I will do a video on succession planting. I believe I have a blog post on that. If I do, I will put that down in the description below or in the pinned comment. That might be a better place to put it. So I hope this helps. As I said, I'm not affiliated with the company, but I just love, oh no, I thought there was more. Oh, look at this. And here they have included an instruction sheet on celeriac. They also have wonderful information on their websites. They have all kinds of how-tos and information on what to plant when. If I could affiliate with them, I would. This is not a commercial for Johnny's Seeds, but I was just so excited because my seed order came, and as a gardener, I'm sure you know what that is like, especially because I forgot I ordered them. So happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Bye.